Are you an artist with a strong desire to create? Why not use your artistic talent to start a successful business? Printing your designs on a range of items, including t-shirts, mugs, phone covers, and more, is one way to advertise your artwork. Additionally, you can accept orders from people who want custom artwork made for them. You may reach a larger audience and improve your chances of selling by putting your art on a variety of items. You can promote your artwork and items on numerous online marketplaces and social media channels to draw in new clients. To make your designs and products more aesthetically pleasing, be sure to utilize high-quality photos. You can take orders for custom artwork in addition to selling finished goods. By doing this, you may satisfy the individual tastes of your consumers while also showcasing your distinctive style and inventiveness. To ensure your client's satisfaction, be sure to establish clear pricing and policies for your commissions and communicate with them properly. Establishing your brand and successfully promoting it is crucial if you want to succeed as an artist. To boost your search engine optimization, SEO, and broaden your online presence, use pertinent keywords into the titles and descriptions of your products. To increase your audience and draw in new clients, you can also work together with other artists or companies. Finally, creating and selling art may be a rewarding and successful endeavor. You may demonstrate your talent and reach a larger audience by printing your designs on a variety of products and accepting commissions. You can create a successful art business and establish yourself in the art world with smart branding and promotion. What are some effective methods for establishing my artistic brand? Creative thinking, perseverance, and strategic planning are all necessary ingredients for creating a successful artistic brand. The following techniques can aid in developing your artistic brand. Choose a niche. Decide on your individual aesthetic and artistic focus. What distinguishes you from other artists? What themes or subjects are your areas of expertise? By identifying your specialty, you can build a focused brand that resonates with your target market. Create a unified visual identity. Establish a unified visual identity that captures your niche and flair. Included here should be your brand's logo, website, social media accounts, and any other visual components. To build a unified brand, use a uniform color palette, typeface, and artwork. Display your work in both online and offline spaces, such as your website, social media profiles, art galleries, and exhibitions. Showcase your artwork. Utilize descriptive text and photographs of the highest caliber to properly showcase your job. Get your audience involved. Engage with your audience on social media, email, and other channels to create a community around your business. Reply to comments, post behind-the-scenes material, and give your followers access to special offers or discounts. Work together with others. You may increase your audience and reach by collaborating with other creators, companies, or organizations. Seek out chances to work together on initiatives, shows, or goods that are consistent with your brand. Provide great customer service. Providing exceptional customer service might assist you in attracting repeat business and gaining a devoted following. Be careful to keep your clients informed clearly and immediately, and go above and above to ensure their pleasure. Continually hone your abilities. Keep abreast with the most recent trends, methods, and equipment in your field. You can stay competitive and keep your relevance in the art world by always developing your talents. You can develop a powerful artistic brand that connects with your target audience and distinguishes you from other artists in your niche by putting these techniques into practice. Be patient and consistent in your efforts because developing a brand requires time and work. Can you recommend any websites or social media platforms where I might advertise my art? You can advertise your artwork on the following websites and social media platforms. Instagram. One of the most well-liked social networking sites for artists is Instagram. You may use it to share your artwork, network with other creators and possible clients, and use relevant hashtags to get in front of more people. Facebook. You may build a page for your art company on this other well-known social media site and share your artwork with your followers. You can connect with other artists and potential clients by joining art communities and clubs. Etsy is a website where you can sell your artwork and handmade goods. It's a fantastic platform for artists who wish to sell their work online and reach a larger audience. Society6. Society6 is an online store where artists may sell their work on a variety of items, including clothing, accessories, and home decor. It's a terrific platform for artists who want to sell their work without having to handle manufacturing and shipping themselves on a variety of products. Behance. Artists may display their work and network with other creatives on this social networking platform and portfolio website. It's a fantastic platform for artists who wish to interact with potential customers and display their portfolio. A platform for artists who specialize in digital art, animation, and video game production is called ArtStation. It's a fantastic platform for artists who wish to present their abilities in digital art and network with possible customers in the entertainment sector. Create boards for your artwork on the visual search engine Pinterest and share them with your followers. For artists who want to promote their work and get customers to their website or online store, it's a terrific platform. The websites and social media platforms mentioned above are just a few examples of how you can market your artwork. To establish your online presence, identify the platforms that are compatible with your brand and target market and make regular use of them. How can I communicate with clients in a way that makes them happy with the works I commission from them? To make sure your clients are happy with the works you have commissioned, you must interact with them in a productive way. Here are some pointers to help you communicate with clients effectively. Consistently and clearly communicate. Throughout the commissioning process, it's critical to maintain clear and frequent communication with your clients. Make sure to make their expectations clear, inquire about their concerns, and offer updates on how the task is coming along. Establish clear deadlines and timings. Be sure to establish and share with your clients precise deadlines and timelines for the commissioning process. This can assist in controlling their expectations and ensuring that the work is finished on schedule. Give drafts or sketches. Your clients will be able to see the finished product and give feedback on the design if you present sketches or drafts of the work. Later on, this may also aid in avoiding misunderstandings or miscommunications. Be open to criticism. Be receptive to making improvements to the job as a result of your client's feedback. This can make sure that their expectations are met and that they are happy with the work in the end. Deliver outstanding client service. Superior customer service may help you establish a good rapport with your customers and guarantee their pleasure. This entails returning their messages as soon as possible, attending to their issues, and going above and beyond to make sure they are happy with the work. After the commission is finished, follow up. Follow up with your clients once the commission is over to make sure they are happy with the results and to handle any remaining issues. By doing this, you may strengthen your relationship with your clients and persuade them to hire you again in the future. You may communicate with your clients productively and make sure they are pleased with the works you have commissioned by paying attention to these pointers. Keep in mind that good customer service, communication, and clarity are essential to developing strong client relationships and expanding your art business. How can I collaborate effectively with other creatives or businesses? Effective collaboration, organization, and communication are necessary when working with other artists or businesses. The following advice can help you collaborate well with others. Prior to beginning a cooperation, make sure to establish clear goals and expectations for the project. This contains team member roles and duties, timelines, and deliverables. By doing this, you can make sure that everyone is on the same page and striving for the same objectives. Regular communication is essential for a productive team effort. Keep your team members informed of project developments by communicating with them frequently. Use project management tools. Project management solutions like Trello, Asana, or Basecamp can help you and your team members keep organized and on schedule. This can help prevent misunderstandings or miscommunications in the future. These tools make it simpler to manage a complicated cooperation by allowing you to assign tasks, create deadlines, and monitor progress. Be receptive to criticism. Working with people frequently entails getting comments and revising your work. Be receptive to criticism that can be used to improve your job and the team's efforts as a whole. Respect each other's time and expertise is a prerequisite for effective collaboration. Respect your team members' perspectives and contributions, adhere to deadlines, and be on time for meetings. Celebrate accomplishments and distribute credit. Working with others is a team effort, so be sure to give your teammates credit for a job well done. Together, commemorate milestones and accomplishments to foster a productive working environment. You can collaborate effectively with other companies or artists by using the advice in this article. Keep in mind that collaboration, coordination, and efficient communication are essential for a successful collaboration. What are some ways I can continue to hone my creative skills? To advance your career and remain relevant in the creative world, you must constantly improve your artistic ability. Here are some strategies to keep developing your artistic skills. Routine practice. The key to developing your artistic ability is practice. Whether you choose to create art using a different medium of drawing, painting, or sculpture, set aside time each day or each week to practice. Participate in seminars and classes. You can learn new techniques, skills, and inspiration from workshops and classes. Look for courses in your area or online that are tailored to your particular medium or style. Study the work of other artists. Studying the work of other artists can open your eyes to fresh ideas and methods. To meet other artists, go to art shows and events, follow them on social media, or sign up for forums or groups for artists. Try new methods and materials. Trying new methods and materials can help you develop new abilities and creative ideas. Push your limits and investigate new possibilities by experimenting with new tools, mediums, styles, or approaches. Seek feedback and criticism. You may improve your work and identify areas for improvement by asking for feedback and criticism from other artists or peers. Join critique groups or ask mentors or peers for input to help you better your work. Take breaks and relax. It's important to take breaks and rest in order to prevent burnout and keep your creative juices flowing. To avoid exhausting yourself, remember to take pauses throughout the day or week. You can continue to refine your artistic skills and advance as an artist by paying attention to these suggestions. Be patient and persistent in your efforts since improvement requires time and effort.